In front of me is DOOGEE X95, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Then hit System. Now select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Debird. Lastly, just click on Text Correction. As you can see, all features are available over here. If you want to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!